Have you ever noticed someone who never posts pictures, ever? No selfies, no birthday posts, no feeling cute today stories, and you think, bro, are they insecure? Are they lonely? Or are they just weird? What if I told you they might be mentally stronger than most people online? Yeah, let's talk about the real psychology behind people who don't post their photos. Most people think people who avoid posting selfies hate the way they look. But psychology says something interesting. A lot of them don't hate themselves. They don't need validation from strangers. They don't wake up thinking, will people like my face today? They wake up thinking, what do I want from today? They don't tie their self-worth to comments. They don't measure their mood using likes. Their confidence is offline. And that's rare now. Cliffhanger? Wait till you hear the next one. People who don't post often value privacy more than popularity. They know something most people learn too late. Not everyone needs access to your life. You don't need to show your struggles, your wins, your face, because once something is online, it's not yours anymore. Not everyone deserves your energy. Not everyone deserves your smile. Not everyone deserves your story. Some people don't go silent because they're sad. They go silent because they've finally chosen peace over performance. Ever notice how the quietest people usually know the most? People who don't post are often watching, learning, and processing. They don't want attention. They want growth. While everyone else is busy editing pictures, they're editing their lives. While others crave reactions, they're building direction. That doesn't mean they're superior. It means they're in a different phase. And trust me, this phase is powerful. Okay, truth time. Not everyone who avoids posting is mentally strong. Some people don't post because they compare too much. They overthink. They're scared of judgment. They feel not good enough. And if that's you, listen very carefully. You don't owe confidence to Instagram. You owe honesty to yourself. You don't need perfect photos to have value. You don't need filters to be worthy. You don't become real by posting. You become real by healing. Let me ask you one thing. Why do you want to post? Attention? Approval? Connection? Because once you understand your reason, you take back your power. Here's what I want you to try. Post only when it feels true, not forced. Stop tying your mood to notifications. Build a life you don't need to escape from online. Be impressive in private first. Be proud without proof. Some people shine online, others shine in silence. And sometimes, the quietest lives are the strongest ones. So whether you post every day or not at all, just remember, your value doesn't live on a screen. It lives in who you are when nobody's watching. If this hit you somewhere, like, comment or share this with someone who never posts. And tonight, don't scroll. Sit with yourself instead. We're not here to look perfect. We're here to become real. Let's level up together.